Very good morning, everyone. Welcome to Backbencher Hacks. Today, I'll be sharing my personal experience of C1 Tech interview held on 29th May 2021 in Mindtree. I just finished my interview and I'll be sharing my experience. The question which was asked and what and all you need to prepare. Firstly, please like and subscribe to our channel. There are a lot of my friends who are attending tech interview today. I'll be sharing their experience and questions which was asked, which if I get good response in this video. So quickly, let's get started. The first question which was asked today was introduce yourself. I said about my family background, hobbies, and about my internship and project. Please be specific about your internship and project. Please don't try to tell other project or friends project as yours. They'll be asking more questions on this. Be prepared for that. The second question which I was asked on which programming language do you prefer, he actually gave me an option as well as C, C++ and Java. I was very open saying that I would prefer Python because I worked recently in Python. I really don't know much about C, C++ which I can crack. So he was fine and he let me go. But if you prefer C or C++ ahead of Python, you might have great chances of being selected, as Mindtree mostly operation work on Java and C++. So be prepared for that. I said Python. So he started asking me about questions based on Python. The first question which I was received was he gave me a dictionary. So basically there'll be a screen which will be completely monitoring. Please don't try to switch other tabs or do anything around you, because everything will be monitored, and if they find it suspicious, they might straight away end your meeting or your interview. Please don't indulge in any such activities. Please be fair and attend this interview with full confidence. First question which was asked was on dictionary. I gave some brief background about dictionary, and he asked me, he actually typed a dictionary elements in dictionary and told to reverse the dictionary elements, which I was not able to do, but I still tried, which he was pretty much happy. And he finally was why Python. He wanted me to justify why Python is preferred over other languages. I said few things why Python has advantages over other languages. So the third question was, he asked me about, do you know any idea about sorting and searching techniques? I said yes. Few of my friends yesterday who had interview on 28th got about merge and quick sort. I was very fortunate to get bubble sort, which was one of the easiest sorting techniques. He asked me to type the code. When I typed the code, he was happy, and he asked about the time complexity. I said the best case is n, worst and average case is n square. Be prepared why the average, what's the time complexity, reason behind it. Be prepared for answering that. My final question was why Mindtree. They'll be expecting, it depends on interviewer what answer he or she might be expecting from you to tell. Please convey in such a way that you want to join Mindtree to enhance your skills, not the other way around. In the sense, a company doesn't want you to grow the company. You want to be a part of Mindtree where you can enhance your skills. Frame your answer as such. And that was my final question. The entire interview was around 30 minutes for me. Depends on individual or an interviewer how much he will ask. For me, it was around 30 minutes. My overall interview experience was good. I had faced many product-based company interview, which was very tough. Compared to that, Mindtree was very good. Was excellent for me. Interviewer was very friendly, and he was very open about his opinions. I think overall I would say my interview was average in terms of difficulty, but my overall experience with the interviewer was excellent. He was very nice to me. Please be well prepared about your project and internship, and also about data structure and OOPS concept. When he asked about was I a CSC background, EC, I said CSC. Probably based on branches they might ask question. When I said CSC, asked me about dictionary and Python. Probably if you say from your EC background, he might ask questions but with less intensity, or probably a different section of questions. So be ready for that. I was asked about bubble sort, about my project mostly. It depends on individual. Yesterday my friends who faced were asked about binary search and today I was asked about sorting. So there are a lot of my friends who are having interview in afternoon batches as well. I'll be sharing about that. Before that, please like this video, subscribe to our channel. If I get really good response, I'll be able to post their experience and specific questions which they were asked on. Thank you so much. All the best for your interview.